All right, hope everyone is well. I just wanted to give a quick video update on how I'm coming along here on the HO scale Arrowhead Ale industry building by Walthers. I've been working on it a lot and I still got a ways to go, but I just put it on the layout, kind of fit it together loosely. Like the roof isn't permanently attached. I still have the loading dock to build. There's no glazing in the windows yet, but I was able to get quite a bit done on the weathering of the elevations, the facade, and I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So just a couple things. I did the windows and the doors. I used this is Tamiya XF8 flat blue for those elements, and I think those look great. And the building itself, all three walls have received pretty heavy coats of the Tamiya flat clear XF86 to really take that gloss sheen off of the brick color that went on as a gloss coat. But this really helped tone that down. And then the wainscoting here of the stone, that is what I primarily use there. Is I'm going back and forth here trying to grab some things. That's used a Vallejo Model Air. That's the sand yellow 71.028. But to add some detail and some contrast to it, I also went back and with a sponge did some touch-up and detailing with middle stone, also Vallejo Model Air 71.031. So what I mean by that is I just using this and putting some of that middle stone down on a piece of paper and just kind of blotting this and then going through and just blotting carefully onto different stone pieces just to kind of break up that. I didn't want it to all look like the same color, the sand yellow. It looks great, but I think adding some detail there, some contrast in the stone color with the middle stone really looks good. And then on the bottom there, the very bottom course, the course right above the foundation, that's just a black wash to kind of make it look a little dirty. And I used that black wash on these doors, on the windows as well. Can't really tell though, but it really did stick out on the stone. A little bit of that black wash here over the loading dock. I figured there'd be splashing and stuff once the dock gets built. That looks pretty good too. The decals went on 2 days ago. I knew this was going to happen. Getting some silvering around the perimeter of the decal because I'm trying to put this over a flat base. And not only is it flat, but there's also, there's a pattern in there. There's the brick pattern. So it's really hard to get that silvering to disappear. I'm trying to slowly trim away some of that perimeter clear film. Kind of got it here on the red-tailed beer sign, but it doesn't look great. So you can kind of see it there. I'm trying to trim that back. I like how this door, these access hatch doors came out. There's the roof. It's just kind of laid in there loose. I still have some detailing and some weathering to do to those roof structures, the rooftop unit structures there, the roof details, I guess you would call them. But I also hit the roof ballast with a little bit of flat black around the perimeter to kind of give it a little bit of shadowing. And then I hit the whole roof again with the Tamiya XF86 to just tie it all together, and I thought it came out pretty good. So I gotta build the loading dock next. I gotta get the glazing in the windows. I gotta get the roof permanently attached. I'm still doing some weathering and some detailing on all three elevations. Just taking my time, but I wanted to get a video up just to show the progress because it had been like 2 weeks. I think this is also gonna get painted, probably a sand yellow, this water table detail here. So here is Here's the loading dock. It's very simple. It's basically two beam lines, two beam support lines, and then you've got this wood, nice wood plank pattern for the actual loading dock surface, which I think looks really sharp. So this has been primed with a gray primer, and now I got to pick a color. It's probably going to be more of a dark mahogany wood color, and that's what I plan to do next. Probably paint that later tonight, and then getting it onto the actual structure should be pretty easy. It's only 3 pieces. I was kind of surprised, so I was happy to see that. So that's where we are, making good progress, but taking our time. Here again is what we are building. It's the Walthers Arrowhead Ale building. Just like with their stone, that's what I was trying to accomplish, is just a little bit of contrast in the colors there. And there you can see the loading dock. So, all right, so I just wanted to give everybody an update, and hope to have another update and maybe be done with this sometime next week. So stay tuned. Hope everyone has a good night, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.